Hello everyone! My name is Teacher Arlene, and today we will be reading a story about the boy who cried wolf. Are you excited? Let's get started. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who took care of the sheep in the village. He was very dedicated to his work. Every day, he used to take the herd of sheep to the top of the hill and bring them down by the evening. But one day, he felt really bored. I am feeling so bored. All the villagers work together, but I am here all alone, taking care of the sheep, and no one else to talk to. What should I do? Suddenly, he had an idea, a wicked one. He went over to the edge of the hill and started shouting, "Help! Help! There is a wolf! He's gonna eat all our sheep! Help!" Hearing the boy cry out for help, all the villagers came to the top of the hill to save the sheep. But reaching there, all they could see were calm sheep grazing the grassland. "You silly boy, where's the wolf? Why did you cry out for help?" The villagers were very angry and left the place, cursing the shepherd boy. This was so much fun. The next day, the shepherd boy was back again to the routine of taking the sheep for grazing. And yet, he found himself completely bored. "Let's try the prank again." The boy again went to the top of the hill and started shouting, "Help! Help! There is a wolf! He's gonna eat all our sheep! Help!" Once again, the villagers, after hearing the boy cry out for help, ran to save the sheep. But once again, came back after being fooled by the boy. "This is not right. You have to pay for this one day." With no regrets on his face, the shepherd boy went back to his sheep. La la la. One day, when he was lying under the tree while his sheep were grazing, he saw some sheep running here and there. After looking closely, he saw a wolf approaching the earth. The boy suddenly ran to the edge of the hill and started screaming for help. "Help! Help! There is a wolf for real this time. He's gonna eat all our sheep. Help! Please help!" This time, the villagers didn't pay any heed to the boy screaming. "Let's leave him. This time, he might be playing a prank on us." He kept on crying for help, but no one turned up this time. All he could do was stand there and watch his sheep getting killed by the wolf. Oh, I should not have played prank to the villagers. Nobody believed in me when the wolf actually turned up. What should I do now? I have lost all my sheep. The end. Did you like our story? Hmm? What do you think is the moral of the story? Yes, you're right. The moral of the story is that liars will not be rewarded. Even if they were telling the truth, nobody believes them. Until next time, kids, goodbye!